for an unboxing, and you probably know what it is because of the title. Yeah, this will be the last one. Crop the screen information there. Let's see what's here. Okay, yeah, the box has been a bit damaged. Let's buy them. Let's see. This is interesting, and there's a code. I don't want to show that. And what's in the back? Very interesting. Crap. Well, it's too late now. I'll probably buy something before I can get that. Maybe, you know, download a Steam game. What's it about? This looks interesting. Curriculum. Let's see. Huh. Oh, looks like this shows a maze. Huh. What could this be? This is something that can't be one-handed. Oh, it already was open, it looks like. That was interesting, but hello. The stick. Okay, what about this in here? Oh, some copper. And this is, let's see. Huh. Appears to be something in there, but I'm not going to take a look at it right now. Magnetic putty. Cool. Very cool. Let's see. So, yeah. Make really. But last one. Book. This appears to be an exclusive version. Wow. Right. I'm not gonna look at this. Let's see what's in. Let's see what's in here. Everything's. Yes, it was a maze. Oh. Seems like a putty. And the last bit is, let's see, Kingston Garden. Oh, it's the magnetic train. This looks like it'll be very interesting. Oh, it's on full sound. It's like a motor key. You know, and that's all, I guess. That's it. Beautiful. Oh wait, and that. Oh wait, that was well.